Rogers' wireless home phone uses VoIP technology, meaning your phone service runs through your internet connection. If you have no dial tone, the first step is to check if your modem has power and is properly connected. Look for solid indicator lights on the modem. If the lights are blinking or off, try power cycling it by unplugging the modem for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Next, inspect all cable connections. Ensure Ethernet cables are securely plugged into the correct ports. WAN for internet and LAN for phones, and phone lines are undamaged. Also, make sure the phone's base unit is powered on. As of late 2025, Rogers has AI-powered troubleshooting tools in their app. Try using those to see if it helps diagnose the issue. If basic checks don't restore your dial tone, check the Rogers app or online portal for any reported outages in your area. Use the AI diagnostic tools in the Rogers app to identify potential firmware bugs that can be remotely fixed without needing a technician visit. If issues persist, try swapping frayed Ethernet cables with Rogers-approved shielded ones, which help improve the signal. Rogers is rolling out 5G-enabled modems, which can improve VoIP stability. If you have older equipment, consider upgrading. If still not working, contact Rogers support directly. In the future, AI-driven modems that automatically fix issues will be more common, but for now, user education and troubleshooting remain crucial.